Right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very charming item and a rather rare one, as you'll see. It's disbound, and indeed the back end papers at some stage sort of come loose, and you can see that it was part of Hull City Library, and in fact it was printed in Hull. And what it is, it's 6 copies bound in one volume of a little magazine that was published, it seems to be mostly in Yorkshire or from Yorkshire contributors, in the year 1814. It's called the Quarterly Visitor, containing essays, miscellaneous pieces in prose and verse, grammatical and philosophical queries, reviews of books on science and education, mathematical problems, etc., etc., selected from contributions of men of eminence in most parts of the United Kingdom. Well, it says that, but most of them, a lot of them seem to come from Yorkshire, Selby or Lancashire, a few from London, but it seems to be quite local to the Yorkshire area. And it's just a charming book of exactly what it says. There are little philosophical essays on various subjects, reflections on female beauty. We have, and then these wonderful pages of mathematical problems and their solutions. We have correspondence, we have poetry, we have answers to the puzzles, we have, as I say, sort of philosophical conundrums and questions on English grammar. And again, but the striking feature is these mathematical problems in each edition. Suppose a snowball, very apt at the moment, 12 inches in diameter, to be rolled half a mile, and the snow it takes up to be half an inch thick. What will be its diameter at the end of the half mile? That's from a gentleman in Manchester, and then from somebody in Hull. There's another problem there, North Yarmouth. There's one from a sergeant in the Cumberland and the Royal Cumberland Militia. And so it seems to be a fairly northern item. Lincolnshire, Acaster Malbis, Pickering, pretty Yorkshire stuff. So charming, entertaining pieces, mathematical puzzles, philosophical essays. There's more maths, weights and measures, all sorts of problems which are then discussed and argued about, and so on. It's very rare. There isn't a single copy on the 140 million volume Abe Books antiquarian book site. Only print-on-demand copies, which somebody's obviously from some sort of library has printed off modern digital copies, and they're pretty expensive. And there's actually no mention of the book, as far as I can see, on the internet. It doesn't seem to exist, but there it is. 6 copies, numbers 1 to 6 of volume 1 of this charming Yorkshire mathematical philosophical magazine of 1814. Thanks very much. Bye.